Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is SGM Creations and Tutorials. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so that you'll be updated with all my new videos. I have here a new project. This is a fashion earring made from the bottle caps of L'Oreal shampoo. This is the bottle caps of L'Oreal shampoo. I just cut out, fix a hole here and attach with 2 rings and a hook, and decorated with a pearl lace on the side of the bottle caps, and decorated with ornaments with the beads. And now it transformed as a beautiful fashion earrings. This is the transformation of the bottle caps of the L'Oreal shampoo. This is best out from waste. So let us recycle our plastic bottles and transform into unique and beautiful fashion earrings. This is one way of saving money, and by recycling we can minimize our garbage and keep our environment clean and safe, and let us live a healthy living by disposing our garbage properly. So I hope you get an idea on how to recycle plastic bottles and transform into unique and beautiful fashion earrings. So if you want to learn how to create different projects made from recycled plastic bottles, just check my playlist on my channel. Check the playlist Beadworks Tutorials or SGM Creations and Tutorials, so you can find all my video tutorials on how to create a fashion jewelry made from recycled materials. This one I have already a video tutorials on this, so just check my playlist Beadworks Tutorials, and then you can follow the tutorial step by step. This is very easy. All you have to do, cut out the bottle caps, the cover of the bottles of the shampoo, look at this, and remove the excess plastic here, and punch here a hole and fix 2 rings and a hook. You can buy these materials, this one in any shop, any accessory shop. So you can create different projects and just provide a primary tools, and these materials, the rings and the hook, that is the basic materials, and you can purchase a crest, a pearl lace, and some ornaments, and fix it with the use of a adhesive glue. Okay, so that is a very easy project. So thank you for watching. So please, if you like this project, please like, comment, share this video, and subscribe to my channel so that you will learn how to create different projects, and you will be updated with my other new videos. So happy weekend. Thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting SGM Creations and Tutorials. So don't forget also to watch my travel blogs. I am posting different beautiful views in Europe. So this is all for today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Daghang salamat, maraming salamat. Dankeschön auf Wiedersehen. And thank you for watching and supporting SGM creations and tutorials. I hope this project you'll get an idea on how to recycle your waste plastic bottles by recycling and transform into unique and beautiful fashion jewelry.